Oh, hi, buddy. You're so handsome. You're so handsome, Julie, man. You're drooling. Boop. Oh, that's you shocking me, dude. I didn't shock you. You shocked me. Oh, look at your nose. Look at your nose. Julie, man. You're so handsome. Yeah, you're so handsome. Are you drooling already? I can see that drip on her chin. I can see the drip on her chin. Yes, I can see the drip on her chin. Old man. No, slobber, that's gross. You're so silly. You're so glorious, Sir Scrambles. You are so glorious. Here. Boop. He's a handsome one, baby. Handsome one, baby. Yes, you shed so much. Look. That's his fur. He sheds so much. A second pet. A second pet. Look at that. He sheds so much. How is he not bald? Makes no sense. It makes no sense how he's not bald as much as he sheds. Look, here's round 3. Yeah, that's round 3.